Hello there and welcome to my channel. So I'm here with another Snapchat tutorial video. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a group on Snapchat. So it's very much simple and easy. Just open your Snapchat and then move to your chats like this. So on here, tap on the three dots here like this and you can see a new group, and then you tap on the new group. So before you can create a group on Snapchat, you need to add two different people that are your friends. If they've not accepted your snap request, you can't add them in a group. So let me use I think this is my friend, and also Reina is also my friend. So let me create the new group, and you can see I needed to add a group name but I didn't. So let me add a group name here, something like this. Yeah, I'm done. So you can see, so that's the group name there. So that's the name. I can tap on here to add a lot of members if I want to, and these are the number of people here. I can invite people via the link by just tapping on the invite, and I'm going to glance through my Snapchat friends and then send them the invite link. It's very simple, just like on other social media platform. Despite the way Snapchat is built is kind of a bit complex, but then it's the same procedure. So that's it on how you can create a group on Snapchat and also invite people to join your group on Snapchat as well. So that's it. If you're new here, try to give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.